If you're a designer, you need to know this. Your Figma design can become a stunning website for free. Figma is the go-to tool for designers everywhere. It's powerful, intuitive, and perfect for creating stunning visuals. But what if you could take that design and turn it into a live website with zero coding? That's right, zero. Introducing our free service. We take your Figma prototype and transform it into a fully functional website. Easy, quick, and absolutely free. Here's how it works. Submit your Figma design on our website. We convert it into a live website, keeping all your original elements intact. And voila! Your design is now live on the web. Want more? We've got optional add-ons like domain setup, hosting, and even ongoing maintenance. Your dream website just the way you designed it without lifting a finger. So why wait? Visit our website, submit your Figma design, and watch it come to life. Professional, effortless, and free. What are you waiting for? Start today.